Isn't this crazy? Dude, this is cool, but check out the wagon next to it. It's a 57. Looks like it just got pulled out of the barn. The paint's all crappy on it. It looks perfect, but it's twin turbo, baby. Look at that. The inside's super cool, too. Hey. We had twins. Woohoo. I love that. What's the motor setup on it, besides a ginormous blower?
So it's an A71 blower.
Yeah.
It's a 376 cube engine. All the fruit in it, solid roller.
Dang, that's cool.
8,000 RPM.
8,000 RPM. Oh, I do got one question. How the heck did you get it over here? On a boat? How long did that take?
Yeah, 3 months.
Good grief!
It's worth it, but
Oh, I bet.
your events are, your facilities are nothing like what we have.
Yeah,
Yeah.
well, my dad owns this place, so he did a pretty good job with it. Hey, nice to meet y'all. It's too cool. Nice to meet you, too. Hey, yeah, see y'all.
Thank you.
Justin, that's cool. Texas Speed, big old blower on it. That's cool. Got a handbrake. It's like a perfect burnout truck. We'll have to watch it later in the burnout pits. That'd be awesome. Justin, I am pumped about the burnout competition, dude. It's gonna be lit. A lot of these cars are from Australia and they got ginormous blowers on them. Look at them. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, look at this, dude. You know this is going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait just to hear them. Hey, there's steering wheels on the wrong side of the car. It'd be hard to drive that bad boy. Hey, Justin.
Yep.
These guys, we talked to one of them from Australia earlier.
Yeah.
Shipped it in a cargo ship. It took 3 months to get over here to show out at LSFest. How cool is that?
That's more your style right there.
Yeah, it is. A big blower on a rat rod. Holy crap, that's cool. Dang, dude. What do y'all think about that? Look at the headers on it, Justin.
Wow.
That's different, ain't it?
I'd like to hear that run.
Oh, we're going to hear it run. What are you doing, son? What is this thing, Chevy Love? It used to be, huh? Dang, that's cool. Oh, I need to drive that thing, boys. For real? Dude, they're doing a 3D scan. That way they can put it in a video game. That's what he said.
Not sure what else you 3D scan a Chevy Love.
You see the inside of this thing, dude?
Huh.
The motor's right beside you. You got a problem with the carburetor, you just adjust it right by the driver's seat, dude. Oh, check this out, dude. Hey, a Cybertruck with an LS in it. Dude, look at the color on that thing. It's crazy. Let's see what happens. All right, how do I do it? The red button? First two switches up. That's what I said. This one here? Up? This one up? Oh, dude. bitch and 2 girls said, woo!
Yeah.
They gotta have some more excitement here. I'd have been like, yeah! All right, come on, boys. This whole thing's crazy. I bet that sucker's fun to drive, you know it? Dang. Hey, Jim would like that, Justin. It's a van with an LS. Look at the scooter. Oh, dude, look at that scooter. Oh, here's something cool. All right. Look at the lean on them front tires, dude. You got the lean going, bro. What is it? With people not even smiling. I'm like, man, you got a super cool rig. Oh, hell, dude. Hey, we don't even have a car here, and I'm having more fun than they are. Cool Cadillac, dude. Hey, we've seen a million Cadillacs, and they all go wop, 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 wop. Sound awesome, dude. All right, let's go for a walk. That's definitely a attention getter there, boys. Awesome. Free Red Bull. How do you beat that? Sure. Hey, put some in your pocket. We'll have them for later. I want a free ride in one of these Red Bull cars, too. Man, is this not awesome? There's cool stuff. Hey, you're a sexy beast, son. We love your videos. You look a lot like me. Dude, yes. Let's talk about you on the way up here. Like that, you're cool stuff. Yeah, brother. Yeah, you too, man. Oh, that dude's cool. He built some cool stuff, you know what? Who didn't run a call?
Complete street performance.
Yes! What is it? You got a radiator on your back?
Something like that. It's actually a proton pack. You're not.
Oh, hey,
you're not nice, man. You're gonna get the sauce.
Hey, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Oh, that is cool.
That's pretty neat, boys. Talk about an upgrade. That would be an upgrade for the bird turds. Things are ginormous, dude. Holy cow, that's cool. Let's see. 138. Mine's a 76. One of my favorite cars here. I like that a lot. Dude, if you like that body style car, how do you beat it? It's like perfect. Perfect, ain't it? Is yours? Dude, it's amazing. Hey, Justin, they LS swapped a General Lee. You Mopar guys are going to be ticked. Oh, man, it's cool, though. This is a crazy setup, ain't it? Justin, what do you think about that, man?
That is. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that is so. Hey, can't hide money, boys. Can't hide money.
You see the interior? Well, I mean, kind of an interior.
Isn't that crazy?
What do you think about it?
I like it a lot. Dude, motor in the back, all-wheel drive. Oh, I bet that thing's fast. All-wheel drive.
With all the weight back here, you know it's got a good hookup.
Oh, yeah. Dude, he's probably sucking crow through that if he ain't careful.